address some more earnings. NBCC, this has been the darling of HNI as well as retail investors, has made shareholders a lot of money. But this time around, the earnings weren't all that impressive. And yesterday as well, you saw the stock take a beating. Today too, you're seeing some red kick in. Let's chat with Mr. Anup K. Mittal, CMD at NBCC, and find out what went by in the quarter. Mr. Mittal, hi, good morning. The street is quite disappointed with the Q3 performance. You know, revenues have kept pace with expectations. Do you think estimates of PAT coming in at 80 crore rupees were rather aggressive?
Hello.
Yes, Mr. Mittal, go ahead. What to your mind has actually led to the PAT disappointment this time?
No, I don't think this is a correct statement that results are poor. You see, the top line has increased by 30% approximately. Of course, PAT has not increased in that same proportion. But you see, in quarter-to-quarter basis, there are a lot of things. I mean, accounting procedure adjust, I think, like in this financial year, in last 9 months, we have adjusted 15 crore rupees for post-retirement benefit, which was pending for since, I mean, so many years. That is one point. And then some tax structure has also changed in this financial year. That has affected the PAT. But nevertheless, next quarter, you see a lot of things like real estate. We have booked a few properties we have sold, but that was in first or second week of January. That could not be considered. And similarly, there are few properties which we have launched in Calcutta and Bhubaneswar. But as per accounting procedure, we cannot take benefit of that unless we complete 25% construction or 25% sale of the properties. So all these together will, I mean, definitely improve the results of fourth quarter as well as this financial year.
So this margin disappointment and this PAT disappointment, Mr. Mittal, are you saying it's a one-off? It will get corrected the next quarter?
Definitely, there is no, I mean, chance to say no. I said that only 15 days booking we could not do. There are a lot of other things, and this quarter, fourth quarter will, I mean, adjust everything, and there will be huge improvement. Other than that, you see, one major thing is, if you recall, in the beginning of the financial year, our order book was 15,000 crore rupees. And today it's about 40,000 crore rupees. Not only booking of the order, some of the orders you will see in next 2 quarters they will start, like redevelopment of Pragati Maidan, redevelopment of AIIMS properties.
Can you broadly tell me, Q4 historically, which is considered to be the best quarter for government companies, will this quarter be exactly in line with your previous quarters, and do you think jumbo order flows will come in this quarter?
No doubt, definitely. I'm not only sure, I'm 100% sure that fourth quarter will be as exciting as in previous years as far as top line and bottom line is concerned. And because you see, whatever we do, finally we have to adjust in financial year, and that's why fourth quarter always look very glorious. So you will, I mean, will not be disappointed on that.
The way your model works, Mr. Mittal, is that it is a cost-plus model. Any reason for me to believe that there could be a change in this model going forward, not in FY16 but FY17 and beyond?
You see, a number of times I made it clear that for a government to implement any project, they have to have one government entity to control the project, to, I mean, do the management. And that is possible through a public sector company or government department. And in last few years, NBCC have made a, I mean, place where there is, I don't think, any replacement, at least in redevelopment projects.
Right. Mr. Mittal, the last time we spoke with you, you said that you expect close to FY16, to close rather FY16 with orders worth about 40,000 crore rupees. Are you on track? Where is it that you stand currently in terms of your order book position?
You see, if I count each and every order, we have already crossed 40,000 crore rupees. Otherwise, we are saying we have crossed 33,000 or 35,000 crore rupees, but this 35,000 figure is ex-DDA projects and some of the, redevelopment projects. So if we put all these projects in an order book, it is already, crossed 40,000 crore rupees. But I am sure by end of this financial year, this figure should be in the range of 45,000 crore rupees.
With NBCC, we always talk about government orders or orders from the central government. What is the update on the state government orders? I understand that you are pursuing some state government orders as well.
You see, we are doing works for state governments also, but not with all these state governments. We are very selective. Presently, we are working with West Bengal government, Odisha government, government of Haryana, and government of Jharkhand. Some projects we are doing in Bihar also, and all northeastern states. So orders are coming from states also, but now our main focus, as I am telling continuously, that is on redevelopment of government properties. So redevelopment projects either in metro towns or in a big town, like main focus is in Delhi, a lot of properties we are redeveloping. Then second is Rajasthan, where we have recently made a joint venture company with Rajasthan government. And third is Odisha government, where we are redeveloping few properties in Bhubaneswar. Apart that, you must have heard that Railway Ministry is also planning to give few railway stations to NBCC. And all these things will come in either by close of this financial year or early next financial year.
Mr. Mittal, thanks so much for joining in today and giving us that perspective. Wish you all the best, and I'm sure the numbers will look much better because of in Q4. Remember, this is NBCC management saying that Q3 numbers and margins were impacted because of one-offs that will get corrected in Q4, so no need to worry. Thanks so much, Mr. Mittal, for joining in. Okay.